Okay. It stayed put. That's a good sign. So yeah, the chin bar on this helmet doesn't really have room for, well, anything. Like it's all bent. And my current workaround for this is called a Dango. It's a really, really weird looking rubber clamp. And it's got like little pointy pyramid finger thingies on the bottom of it. It sticks really good. Evidenced by the fact that this camera's not tumbling yet. Hoping I didn't tweak the mic up too much when I was kind of pulling the cords around inside of my helmet. It took a lot of work to get it set up the way I did, but it's completely modular in a sense. I can just detach my helmet by taking the clamp off, or detach the camera from my helmet by taking the clamp off. I use dual lock, or what Richard lovingly calls space velcro, to attach the mic adapter so that I can swap around. And the place where the actual microphone cord comes out of my helmet, it can be tucked in perfectly. So we'll see how it comes out. So right now I'm doing 16, 17, whatever. Efficient semis. It's extra narrow, so they're dynamic. Ultimate attention seeker. Sounds like me. Well, lots of talking done. Not really a vlog, just an audio test. Okay. Now, if the audio quality came out okay, I just need to practice my radio voice.